we just got some Husky liners, right, Holly? She's like, yeah. Husky liners came in the box right there, and these are really, really durable. This is like the WeatherTech, but even better. I like how it has these channels for water to come through. What do you think, Holly? What do you think? A new box for you to play in. Yeah. So let's go ahead and install these. See how it looks. So I'm taking out these floor mats right here. And it's kind of dirty in here. I don't know how. So I've only had the truck for like 2 weeks. Well, let's go ahead and put the first one in. And they just snap into place with these right here. Alright, let me put the camera down and I'll be right back. Alright, bam, first one's in. Woo! That looks good. They fit so well. Like, they're not going to slide around or anything. They look awesome. Let's go ahead and get the passenger one in. Second one. As you can see, I live in college, so that's how it looks in the place. Yep, got the college living. And I got my truck right out here. So let's see how this looks in the back seat. Here it is right here. It's long. It's gonna look so awesome. And I think I have to push this up a little bit. Actually, you know what? No, that's as far as it goes. Wow. Let's put these down. Woo. Around this side. These are awesome. They fit so well. Right in the corners. Hi. So I have 3 mats here. Where's my other mat? Did I leave it over here? No. Under here? Oh, it's under here. There you go. Awesome. So there's the passenger side. Here is the back seats. And like I said, these fold up. So these are going to be a real lifesaver with dirt, mud, grease, whatever gets in the truck. $100 off Amazon. I think they look amazing. And obviously super easy to install. It took me like 5 minutes. I love how it's very fitting to the truck. And it also has the spikes under to go into the carpet, so it's not going to slide around or anything. But damn, that looks good. So here it is. I'm actually gonna have to take these out soon because I'm gonna have to put a new mod in, which you guys will see in the next video. So I'm gonna have to take these out to do the next mod, but stay tuned for that. So, this, throw that back there. So Zam. I don't know where I'm gonna put these mats. I'll just keep them. Or I don't know. I don't really need them. But yeah. So it is the next day. And let's build this up real quick. These mats are awesome. So let me get in real quick and show you. So basically, I'm about 5'9". The only thing about these is, I mean, obviously if you were to put your feet this far, then your feet would get on the carpet, but no one would sit like that. So I love how it has, like I said, the channels for dirt, snow, water, anything like that, for it to channel through. And these are definitely going to save my carpets a lot. I would highly recommend these. You can go with WeatherTech too, but the Husky liner I feel was the best. Everybody had the Husky liner, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and do that. So there you guys have it. The Husky liner floor mats are in. We have them for the driver's side, the passenger side, and the back. I guess the back side. They were $126, and I used the coupon, so I got them on Amazon for 115 bucks. Probably the best mod that you will ever make for your truck, because if you were to have messy friends like I do, and to be spilling stuff on your carpet, it's going to devalue the value of the truck. And you don't want messy carpet. It starts to smell, stains, things like that. Have these. They're really easy to take out. You just pull them out, hose them down, put your greaser on them, hose it, put them back in. Super easy. I will do a review after a couple of months to see how they're holding up, and I'll go ahead and make a video on that so you guys can see how they're holding up. But as of right now, like I said, they're only a day old. I absolutely love them. They look great, and we'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.